grateful. We are blessed.
I am loved.
I am heard.
I expect to reconnect with my classmates, and not only that, but to also reconnect with God.
In-expect po namin na mas mapalapit pa kay God through this recollection.
Facilitated by the Holy Spirit. I expect that we would create more memories, not just with each other, but also with God and the community of Legazpi Tamashans. Thank you. Okay naman po, parang hindi naman siya like super bago sa amin, pero parang ngayon mas iba lang yung feeling kasi since graduating students na kami and parang last na namin to, so nakaka overwhelmed din na andito pa din kami, na last na namin tong recollection dito. Yun lang po. So my expectation for today's recollection is that it reminds us to be closer again to God, because sometimes nakakalimutan natin to be kind, to remember that there is God, and then to always have faith, and yun lang.
Expectations for
Since it's my first time and meron na rin po sa akin na kwento kung tungkol saan po to, maybe I'm expecting to learn more about the Catholic religion, and siguro gain some new more friends.
Okay po. My expectation po for today's recollection is, aside from being reconnected with my classmate or with God po, my expectation is to go back to ourselves when to realize that we are cared for and we are loved by God no matter what po. Thank you.